How to check if Python module exists and can be imported. I am using debug toolbar with Django and would like to add it to project if two conditions are true. Settings.debug is true. Module itself exists. It's not hard to do the first one. But how do I check if module exists? I have found this solution. But since import happens somewhere else in Django, I need if-else logic to check if module exists, so I can check it in settings.py. Is there a way to do it?
You can use the same logic inside your function. There is no performance penalty to this solution because modules are imported only once.
This workshop, click on the